Okay, YouTube, I've got my Xbox 360 here. Lovely, lovely console. Today, I've got my 250 gigabyte hard drive that came with the unit. It's a super elite, so. But today, I picked up one of these just because I could, and I thought it was time I showed y'all how to add memory to the system. First things first, turn on the TV. Take your controller, turn it on. I have lost my remote, so I have no idea. This only works if you have the latest update for it, though. My little avatar dude. Yeah, I've got games just lying around. I do that. Got my 16 gigabyte SanDisk memory card. I'm going to show you how to do this. First things first, plug your memory card in. Be forewarned that this will erase any data on the card you have to begin with. Go all the way over to System Settings, hit A, down to Memory, USB storage device. You want to go Customize, because that tells you how much space is reserved for it, all of that, and you hit A. And that is how you configure a USB flash drive to your Xbox 360. Sorry, hiccups, kind of. And it just says that my device is ready and it meets the recommendations. If you try to go for one like this, one of these little SD cards and a reader, it will not meet recommendations. And now to take it off, because, well, I don't want to go to what you just had, hit Y, remove systems, because I don't want to use my 16 gig for my Xbox. And that is how you add content, or add a memory card to it. Currently I have 3 forms of memory on mine, and my system is modded, so not in a way that I can't get on Xbox Live if I wanted to, but just in a way that is going to lessen the chance of red ring. As you can hear, it's louder. I've got the 12-volt fan mod. Look it up. It's very easy to do if you have some wire cutters and the proper tools. If you can get the damn thing open, I should say. Just wanted to show you how freaking easy it is to take one of these memory cards and save you and make it a storage device for your Xbox 360. This has been a Juggalo Rida 91X production. I gotta go, so whoop whoop. I got juice. Later, YouTube. Damn it, I didn't turn off, damn you. Stop!